Washington Patriots to WSIC, Washington School's cool news program. I'm Lucas, your news anchor for today. Today is November 16th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance in the moment of silence. I pledge of allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now time for a moment of silence. Now for one of our reporters.
Hi, my name is London, and today we'll be showing you an experiment on vinegar and baking soda. Now to Lucas with some more information.
Hi, my name is Lucas, and did you know when vinegar and baking soda are first mixed together, hydrogen ions in the vinegar react with the sodium and bicarbonate ions in the baking soda? Now on to learn some more information.
The result of this intense reaction is two new chemicals, carbon acid and sodium acetate. This creates the bubbles and foam you see when you mix baking soda and vinegar.
That's it for today. Now back to the studio. This is WSIC. Have a great day, Patriots.